Hello there. Are you struggling to speak English fluently? Do you feel like you're stuck and can't improve? Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to speak English fluently. Firstly, it's important to practice speaking as much as possible. Find a conversation partner, join language exchange programs, or take part in English speaking clubs. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Secondly, listen to English as much as you can. Watch movies, TV shows, and listen to English radio stations or podcasts. This will help you become familiar with the language and improve your pronunciation. Reading is also a great way to improve your English fluency. Read books, newspapers, and articles in English. This will help expand your vocabulary and enhance your understanding of grammar. Next, try to think in English. Whenever possible, try to think about your daily activities or thoughts in English. This will train your brain to think in the language, making it easier to speak fluently. Don't forget to practice speaking out loud. Speaking to yourself or repeating dialogues can improve your pronunciation and fluency. Thanks for following English Eddie. Bye-bye.